Hello everyone, welcome to little session today. We are going to solve a problem from the chapter limit. So today's question is limit x tends to infinity x minus sin x by x plus cos x, right? Solve it. What is the value of this expression? So let's get a start to solve it. First we write what solution, then we have limit x tends to infinity x minus sin x by x plus cos x. We write it like this: limit x tends to infinity x by x minus sin x by x upon x by x plus cos x by x. It take place limit x tends to infinity, then 1 minus sin x by x upon 1 plus x tends to infinity of sin x by x by 1 plus limit x tends to infinity of cos x by x equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 0 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. What is the value of limit x tends to infinity x minus sin x by x plus cos x? Equal to 1. That's it for today, my dear learners. Thank you.